morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. Trumpeter's Tuesday. I haven't used that one in a while. At least I don't think I have. Last night, I prepared fried cabbage with shrimp, sausage, and bacon over baked brown rice. It's okay. Yeah. Probably not a repeatable. Put it this way. Robin didn't go, after 2 bites and go, that's repeatable. No, she didn't. But there's two opinions. Yeah, we both, I'll still post it up. Let you play with it. Today, I'm doing something I think is fun, in a creative way. It's a teriyaki chicken, avocado, and rice stack. The picture of this the picture that I found when I found this recipe, it's just pretty. It's really cool. So I'm going to try this. The one thing I don't have in my kitchen, which is kind of rare, because I have a lot of stuff, is a food ring. A food ring mold. I don't have one, and I've been searching through my pantry and things. To possibly open a can of something and use But the problem with modern cans is they have a rounded bottom. So the can itself, not the lid, but the can is a one basically pressed piece. Unlike older cans that had a top and a bottom lid. Yeah, so I'll figure something out. Or I will just do it by hand. It will still be a stack. Let's get to it. Simple hardware, fry pan, and the dish for the rice. We're going to start with, I'm actually using jasmine rice for this dish. A little bit of rice vinegar and just a little bit of sesame oil for the rice. This is the first layer. The second layer is actually the avocado layer. So I got a couple avocados, a little bit of lime juice to help prevent the browning. And then the chicken. The teriyaki sauce is the base is soy sauce, some rice vinegar, some ground ginger or minced ginger, some minced garlic, more sesame oil, and brown sugar. And I'm going to be using chicken thighs. You know me and my chicken thighs. I love them. Great to work with. They always pretty much stay moist. And this is going to be garnished, if I want, with sesame seeds, pickled ginger, and sliced up green onion. So yeah, that's what I'm playing with today. It should be fun. As you can see, I'm in my favorite sweatshirt. It's like 38 degrees outside. Yeah, it's cold here in Sutter County, California. Not as cold as it gets back east of where I'm originally from. But it's cold. It's 30s. That's cold. We're expecting rain, which is a good thing, tomorrow. So, yeah, for the people who live in Northern California, if you haven't battened down the hatches because they call it a storm, it's not a storm. It's just rain. Yeah. I need a cup of coffee. I don't know about you. I'm tired. The calico was pushing in bed last night. She was just, wedging herself in between Robin and I and just being pushy. She's a little heater, too. So, yeah. All right, enough of that. So, on this Trumpeter's Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.